In this lesson, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can share a document in Microsoft Word. First of all, after you are done editing your document or working on your document, what you have to do is to click on the share over here at this corner and then rename your document. So I'm just going to say this is a CV. You can save it inside your OneDrive or any other location on your laptop. All right. And after you are done, you click on save. After saving your document, you go back to the share button again and click on that. This time around, you're going to have options like invite people to work on this particular document with you. You can also copy the link and share it with other people who can have access to this particular document that you are working on. You can also send a copy via email to anyone that you prefer. So now if I click on invite people, the first thing you can do is to type the email addresses of the people that you would want to invite onto this particular document. And you can add an optional message so that when you invite them, they know the reason behind the invite. One thing that you can also do is that when you check this particular box and they have access to your document, they can edit your document. But when you uncheck this box, they cannot edit. So when you are done, whatever you prefer, then you click on share. This button will be highlighted for you. The share button will be highlighted for you, and then you go ahead to share. If you click on copy link, you get the option to view only or view and edit. These are the permissions that you are giving the person. When you click on view and edit, the moment you do that, the link will be copied. So let's say that, for instance, we want to paste this in our Microsoft Excel. You go ahead, Command V or Control V, you can have access to this particular link. All right. So this is how it works. When you select send a copy, you can send a copy as an attachment via email. And when you click on this share icon here, you can send it as an email via Outlook. If you're using an iPhone or a MacBook, you can do AirDrop and you can click on more to see other options as well. When you are sending this as an email, you can also change the Word format, the file format, okay? So it can be in Word document or PDF or HTML if you are into coding, but that is not necessary for this particular lesson. So it can either be in Word document or PDF. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I would respond to them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful.